Hi, Lucas. Good morning.
Hey, Emma. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm okay, but still a little sleepy.
Oh no, did you stay up late last night?
Yeah, I was watching a series until 1 a.m.
Which one?
Stranger Things. It's so exciting.
I love that show. The kids are really brave.
Totally. And the story is amazing.
So, what time did you wake up today?
Around 7:30. How about you?
6:30. I like to start the day early.
Wow. I need coffee to function.
Same here. Coffee is life.
How many cups do you drink every day?
Usually 2. And you?
3 or 4. Sometimes I drink too much.
Haha, that's a lot of caffeine.
I know, but I love the smell of coffee in the morning.
Me too. It makes me feel awake immediately.
Do you drink it black or with milk?
With milk and a little sugar. You?
Just black. Strong and simple.
Wow, that's bold. What's your plan for today?
I'll study, clean my room, and meet a friend later.
Sounds fun. Where are you going?
To a cafe near the park. They have great desserts.
Oh, I know that cafe. I love their chocolate cake.
Me too. I might have 2 slices.
Don't eat too much sugar.
I'll try not to, but it's hard to resist.
Do you usually study at home or outside?
Mostly at home, sometimes in cafes.
I like cafes. The atmosphere helps me focus.
True, but home is quiet.
Yeah, and I can play my favorite music while studying.
What music do you like?
Soft pop and jazz.
Nice. I listen to pop and rock sometimes.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, guitar. I started 2 years ago.
Cool. Do you sing too?
Only in the shower.
Everyone sings in the shower.
Yeah, it's the best concert ever.
How is your English practice going?
Pretty well. I watch videos, read short stories, and chat with friends.
Nice. I forget words sometimes.
Write them down. I use a notebook for new words.
Good idea. I'll do that. Do you use apps to learn English?
Yes, Duolingo and Hello Talk.
Duolingo is fun. The green bird reminds me every day.
Yes, don't forget your lesson.
Exactly. It's helpful.
I also watch English movies with subtitles.
That helps a lot. I do that too.
Do you like movies or series more?
Series. Because they are longer and more interesting.
I agree. I love Friends.
Classic. I love Joey's lines. How you doing?
Yes, Joey is funny.
What about movies?
I like romantic comedies.
Oh, I like adventure and comedy.
I love comedies too. They make me laugh a lot.
Which was the last movie you watched?
The Greatest Showman. It was amazing.
I've seen it. The music is great.
Yes, I even sang some songs.
I can imagine. How is your family?
They're fine. My mom is working a lot.
What does she do?
She's a teacher. She teaches English.
That's awesome. Maybe that's why you speak so well.
Maybe. And your family?
They're good. My sister started college.
Oh, wow. What is she studying?
Design. She loves art.
Cool. Does she draw or paint?
Both. Her room is full of drawings.
That's beautiful. Creativity runs in your family.
Do you have pets?
Yes, a cat named Milo.
Aw, what color is he?
White with gray spots.
Aw, I have a dog, Bella.
Golden retriever?
Yes, she's very friendly.
Do you go for walks with Bella?
Yes, every afternoon. It's relaxing.
I walk Milo sometimes too. He's lazy though.
Cats love sleeping. What's your favorite food?
Pasta. And yours?
Pizza.
Do you cook at home?
Sometimes. I can make pancakes and pasta.
Nice. I cook pasta and eggs.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I love sushi and tacos.
Oh, I love tacos. Spicy food is fun.
Yes, but sometimes it's too hot.
True. Once I ate a super spicy sauce and cried.
Same here.
How do you usually go to school or work?
I usually take the bus.
I prefer walking when the weather's nice.
Me too, but sometimes it's too far.
Yeah, and buses are sometimes crowded.
True, but they're cheap and easy.
Do you listen to music on the bus?
Always. It makes the trip faster.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, online and in stores.
I love online shopping. It's so convenient.
True, but sometimes the package is late.
Yes, that's frustrating.
And sometimes the size is wrong.
Oh, yes, that happened to me once. How's the weather today?
Sunny and warm, perfect for a walk.
I love sunny days.
Yesterday was rainy.
Oh, I stayed home reading a book.
What book?
The Little Prince.
Oh, I love that book.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new cities.
Me too. Last year, I went to the mountains.
That sounds amazing. Did you take many photos?
Yes, the scenery was beautiful.
I want to visit the beach next summer.
That sounds perfect. Do you usually exercise?
Sometimes I jog.
I do yoga. It's relaxing.
You should try that.
You should. It helps with stress.
I need that.
Do you drink water every day?
I try, but sometimes I forget.
Me too. I use a water bottle to remember.
Smart idea. Emma, I tried cooking yesterday.
Oh, what did you make?
I made pancakes, but they were burnt.
Burnt pancakes are still funny.
Yeah, I laughed too.
Did you eat them?
Yes, with chocolate syrup.
Chocolate fixes everything. Let's review greetings quickly.
Okay. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
Good morning.
Morning.
See you later.
Take care. Good night.
Sweet dreams.
Have a nice day.
You too. Emma, I should go now.
Okay, Lucas, it was fun talking.
Same here. Talk to you later.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much for joining our conversation today. I hope you've had fun and learned new greetings and expressions. Remember, practice every day and your English will get better and better. See you in the next video. Bye-bye and kisses from Emma.